What's up, everybody? Today we're going to be fishing in a secret creek for some sunnies, and we'll see you there. And we're back in the creek. Here it is for you. And we've got the other people in the group. We have Cameron and we have Jonathan. And let's get to fishing.
Okay, our friend Cam, he's got a fish. It's just a small one because that's mostly what we catch down here. Oh, it's a green sunny.
Nice green.
What'd you catch that on?
It's a little tube bait I got. They're jawbones.
Okay.
Here, nice look at it. That's a beautiful fish.
It's a nice fish.
Here we go. Look at that fish. Here, can we get a close up on this? That's a beautiful fish. And there is the release. Wow.
On.
Oh,
Fish.
that's a nice one.
On the fly.
That's a nice setup. Wait, where'd you get that fly rod again?
A barber.
That's funny.
Sweet.
Gonna have to get in the water.
Beautiful
I'm
fish.
sorry.
It's cool.
Can we see that thing?
Yeah. Nice job.
Wow. Nice fish.
Let's get the release on him. We gotta get a sick release. Ready? Get this release.
Gone.
Oh yeah.
I'm just gonna show you the creek we're at. Nice little urban creek. It's kind of funny. It's in the middle of a park, but
Oh, you got one?
Yeah, I handline him.
He's got one on the hand line. What is it?
A green sunny.
Nice little green.
Yeah, it's a nice fish.
Gotta get the shot. Real shine.
Wait, let me unhook him first.
Beautiful.
It's a nice
Get
fish.
the release on him. Yeah. Gone. He lost
Guys, I
his
lost
lure
my
hand
hand
lining.
lining.
He's gonna try to go back in and get it.
Yeah, but
It's
I
like-
want to go through
It's
there.
over there. He's gotta go up here. That'd be funny if it snapped.
Ah! Come on. Leave a like for this
Yeah, leave a like down low.
and subscribe.
Oh yeah.
Come on.
Send it.
How deep is that, do you reckon?
Send it.
Send it?
Send it. Yeah, boy.
That better be a like, guys.
That better be a like right there.
Go. Come on.
Biggin.
bro, suck me.
Nice.
Green.
Nice.
It's another green.
Nice. We found this new hole. It's pretty solid.
Oh, got one. Oh, yeah. Wait. On. Oh, yeah, double.
Oh my God!
Oh, yeah.
On the fly rod, bro.
Let's go.
Oh, he's kind of dead right now. Looks like
This is the hard.
he looks like he's been caught.
Oh my God! Look at that one. That's a beautiful fish.
I gotta unhook this guy. They fight nice.
Nice fish.
It is.
Look at this guy.
Wow.
Pretty, he's got some purple. Come on.
Ooh, nice one.
Come on.
Nice one.
Look at that fish.
Ooh, green sunny.
Nice. Wow.
Get him out.
It's a nice fish.
Gotta get him back in there.
Choked it, bro.
I'm gonna look down here.
We're in this new spot. We were down there before. We come all
Oh,
the way
no.
down here.
Dude, this guy. It's not good.
You can see the lure right there. See you
Alright.
later, guys. Thanks for watching. The other two guys gotta go. But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And share these videos with your friends. See you next time.
I'm so tired.